Does that take sound?
Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna say something.
Go ahead. I edit it, so.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say all you need is the blow off and a girl in a skirt walking by.
This video is from February, the first no prep event that Darlington did. And unfortunately Scott couldn't go, so a buddy of mine who went with us when we attempted to go to the Rock, he came this time. Originally I was going to put the video out, but I didn't really like it because I didn't get to see the ending, and it was kind of hard to see from where we were, and we were constantly moving trying to get a better view. But it's been a while. The Supra has, I'm not going to go into it, but it's had some setbacks that hopefully will be sorted out soon, and we'll get the T70 video out, and hopefully the GT45 will be even faster to come out. But we had a lot of fun. It was a great event. I'm looking forward to going to another one, but this time hopefully bringing the Supra. Probably not driving it in a no prep yet, but I'd like to take it to one. Anyways, I'll quit running my mouth. Enjoy the video.
Damn.